Hello, dear learners of Estonian. If you wish to say in Estonian with mom, with a friend, with me, with sugar, with cream, with cheese, with sausage, then how to do it? We need the ending ga. We put the word in the case omastav and add the ending ga. Mina, minu, minuga, with me. Toivo, toivo, toivoga, with toivo. Suhkur, suhkru, suhkruga, with sugar. Jää, jää, jääga, with ice. Gaas, gaasi, gaasiga, with gas. Let's ask and answer some questions. Kellega sa tuled? With whom will you come? Temaga. With him. Kellega sa räägid? Who are you talking to? Toivoga. To Toivo. As you see here, in Estonian we talk with someone, not to someone. Millega sa soovid kohvi? What do you want your coffee with? Suhkruga, with sugar. The ending ga has several other meanings. First, to go by some means of transport. Trammiga, by tram. Bussiga, by bus. Trolliga, by trolleybus. Taksoga, by taxi. Autoga, by car. Lennukiga, by plane. Rongiga, by train. Laevaga, by ship. Let's ask and answer some questions by using this meaning. In Estonian we ask millega, literally with what? Millega sa käid tööl? By what means of transport do you go to work? Ma käin autoga. I go by car. Millega sa lähed Londonisse? By what means of transport will you go to London? Ma lähen lennukiga. I'll go by plane. Millega sa tuled Moskvast? By what means of transport will you come from Moscow? Ma tulen rongiga. I'll come by train. The ending ga is also used in Estonian in the meaning of talking on the phone. Estonians talk with the phone, not on the phone. Ma räägin telefoniga. I'm talking on the phone. In Estonian we say, I'm talking with the phone. Finally, we need the ending ga to say in Estonian maksma kaardiga, to pay by card. Kuidas te maksate? Kas sularahas või kaardiga? How will you pay? In cash or by card? Ma maksan kaardiga. I'll pay by card. Millega teie tööl käite? By what means of transport do you go to work? Mina käin tööl auto või bussiga. I go to work by car or by bus. Thank you for watching. Bye!